Hey, princess. Hey, you. What's up? Hey. Yeah, wagwan. Wagwan. Come in. Yeah.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
What's that? You know what's that?
Don't come out on the curtain now. They get something to eat though, man. You good, man?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
That's
Come on, man. Go
right.
get something.
Come Miguel pretty.
Sure, I'm gonna get somebody.
Love you. What's that? You know what's that? Yeah, that's cookie shop. That's the only cookie you will catch me eat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, my style of cookie that. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So we make a run. You know, man, I suffer some losses. So we make a run, come out here, you know, come get some flavor. You know what I'm saying? For savor, you know? Yeah. And give you a little float, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I'm on a boat, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, man of a free, can't get tied like goat, you see me I say? Yeah, throw with the rope, see me I say? When me blood clot puff that me feel holy like the Pope, you see me I say? Slippery like a slope, you see me I say? Yeah, slick like a soap, yeah. Yo, me have more words than a court, yeah. Them coulda never bring me to court. Me feel like me the president. Please cast your vote. Yeah, man. Man brain too quick, too slick. Yeah, my brain too quick, too slick, man. Yo, if my brain was a girl, it would have too thick. Yo, man, young man no need no walking stick. Yo, yeah. So yeah, man, we just out here. Go on all the vibes, you see me? 4 family members dead. 3 women, 1 man, you see me? I say, yeah. Father, one of them too, you see me? Never know, say the big man that gone, you see me? But a film time, you see me? So, can't stress if the universe come and take him, the universe just come and take him, you see me? Yeah, that's film time. Him live a good life, you see me? I never have the best father, I never have the worst father either. I just have a father who I love. You see me? Father love me too as a son. Father them always jump away for emergency, you see me? And you know, I get to talk to him and I'm last off, you see me? Like I talk to him, say him dead a week. I talk to him like say him dead. Yeah, I talk to him like a week before him dead. After that, him just been hospitalized. You know what I mean? Have a good conversation with him, my older brother when they there. See me I say, no, my daughter did it, so I'm get to see him grandkid. You see me I say, get to say, yeah, the son Bill one. Son Bill one of inherit everything from me, you know? And then, this is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So it's going out, we all have it going out. My biggest loss was my great-grandmother still, so after that, see me lose my great-grandmother before me lose anything in my life to blood clots. You see when me get at the big, it's like that death when prepare me for everybody. You get me? So when people dead, me still feel it, you know what I mean? But it's not as impactful as when my great-grandmother went past, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I just one of them things there. Hence why my daughter name and my great-grandmother name. You see me? Yeah. Because I love my great-grandmother, so I have to keep her living forever. You see me? And through I know 5 months, as Crip could say, I know 5 months. I just regular. I go have to keep it true. Listen, my daughter name such and such. Yeah. And then my daughter probably come. And years later, your daughter come, and years later, another daughter come and say, no man, I name my daughter after my daughter, which are my great-grandmother name. So the name come back, come live forever and ever. Right. Yeah. So we just go to the cookie shop, spend a little light $100. This is what I got. Okay. Okay, this is what I got. I got this stuff. Shout out to North Country Farms. Yeah. I mean, I'm saying not easy in this business, yeah. Trust me. You know that brother there?
He's the security.
Okay, that's that brother.
Yeah,
Security
they
that.
have to stay outside of the door.
That's God that you have. Yeah, this security they like, man. The security, him can't protect nothing. Rascal. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. You have this candy. And we get this. You get me? Yeah. Good stuff, good stuff. And then this are the flavor in your ears. You see what I'm saying? Flavor belt. Yeah. So should be a good time. Yeah. The moment I've been waiting for. Red light camera ahead. And that it's you know me green light. Go pick me by the ras up and with it. The belt. In the name of the Lord. Bro, after me there.
Oh, look, it's spooky.
Lose so much fucking family member here tell me say, I know me can't get my goal and mom say next to me get feed goal. Yo, Jano. Me say me out here in our farm town, could I man? Like our windmill that you know, it a provide energy. You know much? I think our $5.1 million for one of that, or 1.5 million for one single one. Bumbleclad. Yo, if I could have take you, I would have take you to Rascal. A joke. See people things and leave it alone. Don't touch one of yours. Yeah. If somebody touch one of me and me catch him, I chop off with a finger.
The figure of a depraved, irresponsible, hypocritical, heartless young girl. A cruel poisoner. This figure was embedded in their minds.
After an hour's deliberation, the jury pronounced its verdict. This jury consisted solely of men, of fathers. To no one's surprise, on October 13, 1934, Juliette Gauzière was sentenced to death.
Look, Peppa. Yeah, you like your Peppa?
Yeah, bite up pepper for start.
But hey, look. Is that a Peppa apple juice? Oh, good job.
Not the whole thing.
Look, is there a bunny headband?
Ooh, like mama.
Look, you got some bunny ears. Oh, you
That's
look
so cute.
You can never have enough of those. Here, pull something else out.
No, mama. I'm not ready for more yet.
When you read these stories and analyze them in detail, you realize they already contain all the
Are
elements
there some teether sticks?
Strawberry, apple.
Pull something else out. ID, look.
Everything to the mouth is like it is. Everything.
What are those? Oh, your yogurt chips? ID, look. Look.
Pull something else out, mama. Pull something else out here. But go ahead. Pull something else out. Come
ID.
here. Hey.
What else is in there? Is that a Peppa Pig cup? Is that a Peppa cup?
Take a couple of minutes.
Look.
The radio play, directed by a young Orson Welles,
Good job.
reporting a Martian attack on New Jersey. program sent a wave of panic to visitors who were unable to tell the difference.
Alright, what else is in here?
When Orson Welles broadcast radio announcing that Martians were
Is it
attacking
Peppa?
the mysteries of the area where the attack was supposed to be happening were extremely afraid. There's already been a precedent for Roswell.
What else is in here?
Strong sociological reaction to the idea of alien invaders.
This you could put in your mouth. It's a teether. It's a carrot.
When the Roswell incident emerged, people referred to Orson Welles. He was even interviewed to find out what he thought about flying saucers because people saw a link. Not panic, but general anxiety about things.
Look, you got some more yogurt. This one's banana.
In 1947, the Israeli desire was even stronger because it was underlined by the fear of a real enemy, the Soviet Union. In the United States, the fear that had taken hold was conducive to all
Ready? And then look, last. Look. You got a chocolate bunny. Your first chocolate bunny, baby.
might be vessels with unknown, highly advanced human technology, Russian technology.
A time when reporters go to see what the celebs are up to on the beach.
From the beginning of that summer, a photo story had unfolded daily in the general press, and celeb of 1996 was no longer a member of the lawyer found openly with the Dodi Al-Fayed. He was the son of the famous billionaire Mohammed.
Oh!
You got a sweet.
Is that an egg in your swing? A fur egg? Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that egg.
That's an egg,
You
mama.
got a swing, baby girl.
Grab your egg.
Grab your egg.
Not the grass.
Look.
Not the grass.
Good job.
There you go.
Put it in the basket.
Drop it in the basket, mama. Ivy.
Ivy, in the basket. Good job.
That's that egg. Right here. Here's the egg. You don't have to put it there, boy. Drop the egg. Come here, drop your egg. Come here. Egg not ready to eat yet. Thank you. It's a sour punch twist. Grab it. Your lips so blue. Ivy. Something down in there. Let's go. Here's another egg. Not in the mouth. Right there. Ivy.
Your
Another
mouth is
egg.
so-
Come here.